Welcome to Tinkernut.com's videocast. Feel free to submit any requests or comments to Tinkernut.com. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make animated stick figures that you see all over the internet. Now this piece of software was brought to my attention by YouTube user Crisis Best Game. So for examples of how to use this, just visit his YouTube site. So just do a Google search for Stickfigure Animator and you should come across the Pivot Stickfigure Animator program. So just go to their website and download that to your computer and then go ahead and install it. And the installation's pretty simple. It doesn't really have anything specific that you need to do for it. But whenever it's through, just go ahead and close out of everything and you should see a shortcut on your desktop. Now all you have to do here is every time you want to add a new frame, click the next frame button at the bottom and then start animating. Move it a little bit and it'll show you where the previous frame was. You can see that in gray, and where it's going to be, where you're putting it right now. So whenever you have it where you want it for one frame, then just click the next frame button again and repeat the same process until you're through. So here's my final animation. It's not very long, it's only about 6 frames long. But whenever you're through, you can just hit the play button. I took mine off repeat, but you can put yours on repeat and it'll just cycle through the animation loop, and then you can click stop. You can also do things like flip the character. You can add another figure if you want to have two fighting, or you can even go up to File, Create Figure Type, and create your own figure. This can be like another person, a car, an animal, pretty much anything that you want. You can get creative with it. But whenever you're through, just go to File and Save Animation. You can either save it as an animated GIF file, which I showed you how to do in a previous tutorial, or you can save it as a BMP file and it'll export all the frames. And then you can put it in Windows Movie Maker and make a movie out of it. There's the finished product. So for more tutorials, go to Tinkernut.com.